Hey there, Collena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So today I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to improve your song delivery skills. But first, we got to talk about it. So the only reason for mastering technique is to ensure that the body does not prevent the soul from expressing itself. That is one of my favorite quotes by a dancer called Marie. Now, a singer's vocal technique is just a tool to help us creatively express ourselves through the songs that we're singing. So singing is more than just singing. When it comes to song delivery, the songs that really stay with us are the ones that really move us because they have that energy and that emotion in them. And when it comes to us singing our songs, it's about us expressing ourselves, really just telling the story of the songs that we're singing and taking our audience on a journey. But it's all about being intentional. You have to be thinking about your song lyrics and really thinking about how do you want to express yourself through that song. So a good way of improving your song delivery skills is by being intentional. So you can ask yourself the following questions to really help you work out how you want to deliver your song. So question number one, and I know that when I say this, it's gonna seem like it's super obvious, but trust me, it's not always that obvious. But question number one is, what is the song about? Now, you really need to know the song. In order to deliver the song, you need to know the song, you need to understand the song, so you need to spend time reading through the lyrics and really understanding what it is that you want to portray with the song, you know? But we're not just singing for the sake of singing here. We want to express ourselves. So know your song. Question one, what is the song about? Question number two that you can be asking yourself is, what emotions do you want to evoke? What is it that you want your audience to experience? What do you want them to feel whilst you're performing the song? Now, that is the question you need to be asking. What emotions do you want to evoke? So now that you know what the song is about, I want you to choose 3 emotions that you really would like to evoke in your audience whilst you perform the song. You're going to use those 3 emotions to really help you effectively communicate and tell the story of your song. For example, if I was performing Adele's Hello, I would read through the lyrics, and what I would find is the emotions of nostalgia, regret, and heartbreak. So I would think about, how am I then gonna use my voice to really tell the story of the song and portray those emotions? And that's basically what I want you to do. I wanna keep it really simple by just choosing 3 emotions, and then you need to work out how you're gonna use your voice to really get those emotions across. So that's what I get from the Hello song by Adele, but you may want to interpret it differently. You may have some different emotions that you really come up with from just reading through the lyrics. But basically, when it comes to song delivery, you have to really know and understand what it is that you are trying to get across to your audience. What is it that you're trying to portray? How can you take your audience on a journey if you don't know where you're going, you know? But it's ultimately about really spending time with your voice and really experimenting and seeing how you can get these different tones and these different colors from your voice in order to really effectively portray the story of your song. That was it for my song delivery tips. These tips are gonna take your song delivery skills to the next level. But that is it from me. I hope you found this video helpful. Questions, comments, or concerns, comment below or shoot me an email at info@voicesavvy.com. Until next time, much love and positivity. Mwah. Peace out.